of the start. Always popping, yeah. My body hurts, can't stand. Restart.
Hey, what's good, guys? It's your boy Donoff Brand coming back at you with another video. And if you guys watch my channel any amount of times, bro, you're going to think this is weird because I've never made a video like this doing an unboxing. I've done videos with my face, but that's a long time ago. You've probably never seen that. But guys, today I came to do an unboxing video of my new bag. I wanted to do this with my first bag that I got from Sprayground, Raiden. I literally love this character. I use him all the time. In Mortal Kombat 11, he's trash. He's trash, but I still love using him though. He's the best in like the one before that. But yeah, I really liked this one, guys. I really wanted to do an unboxing video. I did one, but I didn't like how it turned out because like I did it like, you know, I had my phone in my hand while I was unboxing it and it just looked so weird. So I did some research, I watched some other people's videos, and like I found out how to set my camera so it doesn't look like it doesn't look like way up and zoom into me while I'm yeah, guys, the Henny bag is what I ordered this time. Like I already said I was gonna order a Deadpool bag with the money on him, but nah, I don't like that one. Like this character bag is the only character bag I think I like. I like the Scorpion one, but I didn't get that one. I got this one, and I think it's better because it glows. It's reflective. If I turn off the lights, it's gonna like. I'll put up a picture somewhere. And like, yeah. So today, guys, we got the Henny bag. The Henny bag. The Henny. Alright, guys. Oh my god, I ripped into another bag. The bag that it was inside of too. I ripped into two of them at the same time. Yeah, guys, I'm a beast. I'm strong as hell. Alright. But guys, check it out. Oh my god, it's bent. I did it too hard, I guess. But yeah, guys, check it out though. Vegan leather. It's my first vegan leather bag. But it's fire, bro. I really like this one. Can y'all see it good? It might look weird from this angle, guys, but I'm pretty sure if I slap some books in this, it's gonna look fire. Let me check the stash pocket. Congratulations, you found the infamous stash pocket. Now don't tell anybody. Shh. You don't tell anybody. I'll come to your house. Alright, guys, this one got the $2 million too. Yeah. If you got the $1 million one, we can't beef. We can't beef. You're a little boy. I'll kiss you on your forehead.
If you don't got this watch right here, you a little boy to me. I'll kiss you on your forehead. You a little boy. Sit down. King's home. It's over.
Oh my god. Alright, now the inside, guys. The inside is crazy. Can you see the things doing the thing? Do you see what I'm talking about? No. Okay, yeah. You see this, guys? Yeah, that's really cool, I guess. But my favorite part about this entire bag is this. Oh my god, bro. Like, it feels so good even compared to this one, guys. This one is, the inside is black. When the inside is black, it doesn't feel as good as the ones where the inside is red, guys. The ones when the inside is red, they feel crazy good. I mean, look at it, bro. Ooh. And the zips are gold. I like that. You know, I like me some zips. This part is cool. you know, and like that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna slap some books in it and then show you how it looks with the books in it. Okay, guys. Okay. I slapped some books in this. Oh my god, I literally forgot to show y'all how this looks. This pattern is cool. I really like that. Alright. It's uneven. What do you mean? Alright, guys. What do you mean? Whatever. I just tried something, okay? But yeah, guys, I really like it. It's fire. Alright, guys, peace out. If you enjoyed this video, slap a like on it, and then just slap a like on the video, guys. And yeah, bye. It's really awkward ending these.